So your hair is not growing at its optimal. You've done everything. You've put oils, you've done rice water, avocado, aloe, everything, and it's just not growing at its optimal. So what could be the problem? Let's talk about it. So your hair is not growing and you just can't figure out what the problem is. You felt like you've done everything. Firstly, you need to look at nutrition. Is your body getting enough vitamins? Are you eating properly? Okay, if you're not getting all the vitamins you need out of your food, you need to be taking vitamins, and not just taking vitamins, taking sufficient vitamins, because if you're not taking enough of each vitamin, of course those vitamins are going to go to the most important processes in your body, like your blood flow, your heart, your kidney, your liver, and your hair is going to be the last place those vitamins are going to get. So that's first. Secondly, are you taking care of that scalp? You know, you're taking care of the hair, but are you really focusing on that scalp? Let's look at it this way. Your scalp is like growing plants, okay? So you want a beautiful, healthy crop that comes up in prime time when it's supposed to grow strong, but you didn't dig the ground and you're adding fertilizers, but you never prepared the ground. So the chances that seed that you planted is going to grow healthy, strong, fight off diseases, fight off outside elements is very small, okay? Because you didn't do it properly, you didn't do the right thing. To get a good crop, a farmer has to go out there, they have to till the ground, meaning dig it up, take out the stones, take out the sticks, take out any kind of debris that might be altering the seed's growth. Then they fertilize, which would be your aloes and your oils and your this and that, okay? All right, so you're actually skipping a step, and this is probably why you're not seeing optimal hair growth, okay? So let's go back a little bit. So what can you possibly do to actually till that ground, to take care of that scalp before you start piling on fertilizers? Secondly, apart from your vitamins internally, okay guys, is you need something that's gonna help to clear off that scalp. You want the freshest, youngest, best scalp in your life. All right, so I have a product here that's really gonna help you. There's others out there, but I find this one to be excellent. It's called Scalp Therapy by Neutrogena. It's an anti-dandruff medicated scalp buildup control shampoo, and it actually has apple cider vinegar in it. So if you're not familiar with apple cider is great, okay? It balances the pH of your hair and most importantly, your scalp. Apple cider also strips off oils and dirt and debris without over drying the hair. Now, what makes this a star product and why I'm recommending this for you as your first step, okay, is it has 2.5 salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a mild exfoliant. It's gonna do all the cultivating, all right, of the scalp. So it's gonna remove all the buildup off your scalp. And we're not just talking about oils, we're talking about debris like old cells, old skin that's just sitting on top of each other, stifling your follicles. Your hair cannot come out that pore, okay, because that pore is filled with oil and dirt and gook, okay, product buildup. All right, so you need something beyond just a clarifying shampoo. Clarifying shampoo is excellent. You should be using one, especially if you use a lot of products on your hair. All right, clarifying shampoo just takes all that gunk off and off the scalp so that your moisture and your protein can get into the strands. But clarifying shampoo does not do the heavy lifting something like a salicylic acid or glycolic acid based scalp product will do, okay? That salicylic acid is going to penetrate the actual follicles, go down into the pores, and just break up all that debris, break up the oil, break up the dirt. If you have bacteria that's living in those pores, it's going to attack those guys and get them out of here, okay? Now, this will prime and prep your scalp for optimal hair growth, optimal nutrition, penetration, and absorption, okay? Now, this shampoo, I've actually used this shampoo. I like it a lot. If you haven't seen my other salicylic acid scalp exfoliant video, you should really take a look at that because you may prefer that. That is a pre-treatment before your shampoo, but this is an all-in-one. So if you don't want a 2 steps, you just want 1 step, 1 shampoo that just does it all, this is your guy, okay? This is a little bit stronger than the pre-treatment one. It by 0.5%, it is actually 2.5%. Okay, so you put this guy in, you just massage that into your scalp, let it sit at least 3 to 5 minutes to do its job. Then you're gonna rinse it out. The only thing I've noticed with this guy is that it does tend to dry your hair. So you want to make sure you have a super moisturizing conditioner after you've used this, just to put back all the moisture back into your hair. But your scalp is going to be clean and well prepared. This product is suggested, I think, to use at least twice a week. To me, you can actually use this once a week if you wash your hair every 2 weeks. If you're a naturaler, you can use this before you go ahead and do your other preps. If you have a shampoo that you just love, it's moisturizing, it's great, it detangles, and you prefer to use that over this, please check out my other video. You can use the pre-treatment, which you would just apply to the scalp and just rub it in, let it sit, and wash it out with your regular shampoo. Either way, guys, both have the same ingredient. Like I said, this one's a little bit stronger. You might opt for this, but you need to give your scalp some love, all right? So we're talking scalp love, all right? And after you've done that, then you can go in and apply all your topical nutrients, which are in your oils and your avocados and your aloes, your banana, whatever else you pile onto that hair and that head of yours. But you will know that you're getting optimal penetration and your hair is primed and prepped for optimal growth. There's nothing blocking it, there's no bacteria hindering it, there's no old skin suffocating it. It's just perfect. All right, guys, hope you love this video. Join me again for another fabulous video. I do enjoy speaking with you guys. I love you guys. Please share this video, all right? Subscribe if you are new. It is a pleasure to have you, all right? And I'll meet you guys back here very soon. Take care, guys. Mwah. Ciao.